We are leaving Grenada tomorrow. Woo! It's like a giant game of Tetris. To get Jetty checked out by a vet.
Anaplasma, heartworm, Ehrlichia.
We're about to raise a sail. We see some fish jumping.
Those are baits, but these are big guys out here. Awesome sailing. It's great to get back sailing again and just enjoying it. My name's Billy, this is Sierra, and our pup Jetty. This is our home. Her name is Adrenaline. We decided normal lifestyle isn't quite right for us, so we've been living an unconventional but fulfilling life of challenge and adventure. Be sure to subscribe below and hop on board.
We are leaving Grenada tomorrow, which means we have to go stock up on some more food. So Catherine and I are gonna go take on the grocery store. Billy's gonna finish some more of his projects, and then we're gonna reconvene.
Do you need to get anything at the store?
Billy's gonna go get some lunch, and we are making our way to the grocery store. Got it. Woo! Are you okay? How'd that go? Okay, we have enough food to last us quite some time. Now we get to get our workout in and carry it all back. And then we get to put it all away. And it's raining. Do you feel like you're getting a workout in? Majorly. What? Hello! Hello! Come on!
How was it?
Good. But help us before our bodies break in half. I think we got everything we needed. Billy came in and got all the groceries in the dinghy. Catherine's going to the warehouse store to get some wine and to go get a coffee, and we're almost ready to go.
Excited to start cruising again.
Excited to see new places. It's like a giant game of Tetris.
Why is that?
Because we got a lot.
Are you helping?
She said I'm guarding the chocolate chips. That's where all this stuff goes. Okay, we are almost ready to leave this beautiful island of Grenada, and one thing we have to do before we head out is to get Jetty checked out by a vet, and there's a company called Vets to Go, and they're going to meet us at the marina. They're going to give us a health certificate and check out, make sure she's heartworm negative, and then we're all set. So before we go into any new country, she has to have a valid health certificate. You have a vet coming to see you and they're gonna check you out in a van. Maybe you won't realize it's the vet and we won't have a heart attack. Ready? Let's go.
Good, how are you? I'm Billy.
Emma, nice to meet you. How you doing? Emma, how are you doing?
And this is Jetty. She is normally terrified of the
Hi,
vet.
I'm Charlene.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Billy.
I'm Charlene.
Nice
It's
to meet
reminding you of the vets?
Well, we're not in the building, so.
She's like, I'm a little confused.
Yeah. Huh?
Good girl, Jen girl.
Hello. You got a lovely tail.
Here, you want to help her out?
Anaplasma, heartworm, Ehrlichia. So
Okay.
it's negative.
Okay. Good. Good job,
So this is
Jess.
the control.
Okay.
Siemens control. So they're both positive.
Gotcha. Cool.
Yeah.
Can you see that in the camera?
Yeah. Perfect.
Good job, Jay.
There was one last job to do, and that's just to clean all the growth on the bottom of the boat. We decided to have some fun while we were in the water and practice some free diving. Sierra volunteered to do all the hard work of scraping the hull, and she made some friends while she was at it.
So we just pulled up anchor and we're about to raise a sail and we are saying goodbye to the mainland island of Grenada. We're gonna go to some of the sister islands. We're gonna go to, I think it's called Ronde and Carriacou, and then we'll be on our way to the Grenadines.
let's go. Stop the race. We should be every day. You've been trying to find your crown. Happy camper through the ups and downs. Keeping calm, winning ground.
Well, so far it's been literally perfect sailing conditions. We're moving and it's flat calm and we have the most beautiful scenery. We have our fishing lines out in hopes to catch something. Nothing yet, but there's still a chance. We are headed to Carriacou, but we're gonna make a stop at Ronde Island. You're only supposed to like be able to anchor there if it's calm or it's just like a day anchorage, but I think we have the right conditions to go anchor overnight. And I think there's supposed to be like really cool diving over there, so fingers crossed. So Ronde is right just north of Grenada and right in between Grenada and Carriacou.
Kind of becalmed at the moment. We're still behind the main island of Grenada with all the mountains and everything, so the wind is pretty fickle and we're getting these little weird squalls coming through. So it's up, it's down, our speeds are all over the place. We're just gonna keep sailing. No sense in turning on the engine.
We have a wall of water coming at us.
On our way out through them trees before we reach them tops. Oh no, half isn't enough. Let's build castles.
What are you two doing? Smack it. You got a couple knots on each. I was surprised Jenny didn't help you.
There are no kingdoms without rulers. Are you ready for change?
How fast are we going?
Well, we're all over the place from like 2 knots all the way up to our top speed is like 8.5, 9 knots today. Just with every little gust that's coming through, it's up and down. Coming up right now.
You can tell how fast we're going by how much our daisy chain swims and splashes.
Smells like fish.
What do you see?
We see some fish jumping and we're hoping it's tuna.
Yeah, right in front of us. And all up there too. Those are baits, but these are big guys out here. See all of them out there? There's so many.
We did a couple loops on the outside, but nothing, so we're gonna go right in the middle of it. Well, no luck yet. There's still a chance though.
That's a little ferry that goes between Grenada and Carriacou. And we're right in the channel or cut between the islands here, just on the north side of Grenada, right behind me. And in really deep water, still no fish, what the heck? But at least we got a really nice steady breeze in here, just coming straight off the Atlantic Ocean. So, back to sailing, turn the engine off, and going along nicely. We're only like 4 or 5 miles from Ronde Island, or Ronde Island, or whatever you call it. Awesome sailing. It's great to get back on the move, sailing again, and just enjoying it. Especially today, super calm, perfect conditions.
Do you think we're going faster because of my awesome bottom fitting job?
Every day on the lawn, we are burning the flame. You are one of us. We say come, whatever may join
I feel like we're getting into whole nother world over here.
Yeah.
Oh no, heaven isn't enough. Let's build castles.
What do you think?
Oh, well now it doesn't look like sand.
Here is our anchorage for a few days.
Look at the jelly.
For change, we could be kings and
Can you do up there?